In experiment 14, we showed that opposite charges attract and like charges repel. Let's build on this concept of charges by asking this fundamental question about molecules. And that is, are molecules attracted by a charge? Here's the experiment. Let's turn our faucet on and get a thin stream of water. And now let's take a plastic comb and let's rub it on a piece of wool. What we're going to do is put a negative charge on our plastic comb. As we rub the plastic comb on the wool, we're rubbing negative charges off the wool and they're going onto the plastic comb. This should be enough. Let's now bring the negatively charged comb close to our stream of water from our faucet. As you can see, the stream of water bends towards the plastic comb, and this shows that water molecules are attracted to a negative charge. Now, scientists know that a water molecule behaves like it has a negative end and a positive end. And let me represent a water molecule with this shape. Here we see the negative end of our water molecule, and here's the positive end. Now, when we bring our negatively charged plastic comb next to our stream of water molecules, it's the positive end of our water molecule that is attracted to the negatively charged plastic comb. And this is why the stream of water bent towards or was attracted to the comb. Okay, let's see if oil molecules are attracted by a negative charge. Now, to do this experiment, we're going to take a cup and let's label it oil. We're going to take a pencil and we're going to place a hole in the bottom of the cup, and the hole needs to be about the diameter of the lead of your pencil. Now let me take and put some oil in my cup, and I'm going to cover the hole with my finger so the oil doesn't come out yet. So I'm going to pour some oil molecules in the cup. And again, we want to charge our plastic comb, so we'll rub it again on our piece of wool. And again, we will rub negative charges off of the wool. They will go onto the plastic comb. Now let me start the stream of oil molecules. And now I'm going to bring the negatively charged comb next to my stream, and let's see what happens. As you can see, the oil molecules are not attracted or repelled by the negative charges on the comb. It turns out that oil molecules do not behave like they have a negative end and a positive end. Molecules that do not have a negative end or a positive end, or do not behave like they have a negative end or a positive end, are called nonpolar molecules. Okay, let's have some fun with this concept of charges attracting molecules. And let's do this by blowing some soap bubbles. And let's see if we can attract the soap bubbles with a negatively charged balloon. So the first thing I want to do is rub my balloon with a piece of wool to put a negative charge on the balloon. Now I'm going to take my bubble solution and I'm going to blow some bubbles. Then I'll bring the balloon close to a bubble and let's see what happens. As you can see, the bubble is attracted to the negatively charged balloon. Let's do that again. Let's see if we can get a big bubble. And as you can see, if we are very careful, we can actually suspend that bubble in air. And the reason we can do that is because the molecules in our soap bubble solution are attracted to the negative charges on our balloon.